I'm Dr. Travis Deen, and I'm a hip and knee reconstruction specialist at the Florida Orthopaedic Institute. As a hip and knee reconstruction surgeon, my clinical focus is on hip and knee replacement surgery. This includes conditions of the hip and knee that require replacement, such as degenerative conditions or trauma, or patients with previous replacements that are painful or failing. The best part of my job is having the ability to be able to perform a technically demanding surgery that, when done well and in appropriately selected patients and cases, can actually be quite life-altering for our patients. I also have the opportunity to lead care teams and continuously improve patient outcomes and experiences. And I think it's pretty rare to have the opportunity to participate in something that's so intellectually, personally, and professionally satisfying. I think the approach to patients is very important. There are over 1 million joint replacements performed each year, but it's critical to understand that each patient and each surgery is individual. Placing patients at the center of the experience allows them to be active participants in their care. The most rewarding part of my job is seeing patients after surgery and the dramatic improvement that they have in their pain and function, and really enjoying with them the experience of getting back to doing the things that they love. As the field of orthopedics grows, it becomes more and more difficult to be an expert in any one specialty. At the Florida Orthopaedic Institute, all of the surgeons are fellowship trained, meaning they took dedicated time focusing on their specialty. This allows us to provide high quality, cutting edge treatments and techniques for our patients.